Okay, let's get started. Another question is saying line AB is the diameter of a circle. Find the what? The equation of the circle given the coordinates of A and B as the -1 and -4, 7 and 2. What's a line like this? Remember we have A and we have B, yeah? Coordinates of A are -1, -4. Coordinates of B are 7 and 2. Let's imagine of something like that, eh? And you are told first to find what? The center. That's the first thing that you're supposed to look for. The center means the midpoint. What's the midpoint? How do you get the midpoint? The midpoint is given by, this formula is important, by x1 plus x2 out of 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over what? 2. That the formula is important that you note that. That's how you get the midpoint of the line. Okay, x1, obviously x1 is this is x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So you get x1 plus x2 itakuwa ni -1 plus 7 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2. y1 is -4 plus 2 over 2. This one gives you what? -1 plus 7 gives you 6 over 2, comma. -4 plus 2 gives you what? -2, over 2. -2 over 2. So this one gives you what? This one leads to 3, comma, -1. That is the center or the midpoint. 3 and -1. 3 and -1 gives you the center of that line, the circle. Let's move on. Now from there we have the center that is AB. That is AB, don't forget that. Our center gives you AB. And the equation says what? You know, the equation is, I'll get it, is this one, minus y minus b square. But we have radius first. Doesn't have radius still. We have a lot of work to do here. That's a general formula. But radius you say is given by square root of x minus a squared minus or plus y minus b squared. That's how you get the radius. Let's look for radius first. We have our x, we have our a, our x and y we have, because we can use either of the points, this one or these points. And we have our AB. So you're going to say our r will be equal to what? Come on, will be lost. R will be equal to square root of what? Square root of x minus a. We get x use of one of these points. Let's use this point A. This point A, this point B, don't forget. This point A, which is -1 minus A. What is our A? 3. Then you square that. Plus y. What is our y here? The same points, -4. Okay. Then minus B. What is our B? Our B is -1. So -1. Okay. Then you square that. Let's get the answer quickly. Our radius will be equal to what? -1 minus 3 gives you what? -4. So we square root of -4 square. -4 square plus the other one is what? Sorry. The other one is -4 minus -1. What is the answer to that? -4 minus -1. What does that one give you? Let me confirm that is true. We get -4, which is our y, then minus -1. That is true. They're going to minus what? -4 plus it's like -4 plus 1 is -3 square. So that one gives you what? Let's proceed and say that means r will be equal to square root of what? What is the square root of this? Is -4 square. A square of a number It's a number online by decided to go minus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 4 gives you what? 16. Plus minus 3 squares, like minus 3 times minus 3, which gives you 9. And it gives you r is equals to what? Square root of 25. And it means r is what? R is 5 units. R is 5 units. R being 5 units, getting now the equation is very simple because we are going to use, let me rub here. I'm going to say now we have our radius. Don't forget we have 3 negative 1. We shall have our radius, and we have our, that is the center. Sorry, that is center. Then our radius we have already, which is 5. So with the center and with the radius, we can look for equation. Very easy. How? General formula ndio hii tulisema itakuwa this is AB. Don't forget that. So itakuwa ni x minus 3 square. Then we take what? Minus or plus? Come on. Plus y minus 1. Square is equals to 5 square. So they're going to x minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square is equals to 25. That gives you the equation, of course. You know, the equation is very simple. So proceed from there. This now you have the knowledge on how you're supposed to do these questions. I'll do the last one question on this topic. In case you have any question, let me know through the comments in the comment section. Thank you so much.